If your school has a CSI Literacy kit, or you're about to buy one, you might be wondering how to approach it. There's no need to be worried. Using CSI Literacy is simple. Inside, you'll find everything you need for fun and engaging literacy lessons that work for everyone in your classroom. We're going to break it down so you can see exactly what's inside. Each kit has over 45 interactive digital texts for shared reading. You can choose whether you want them on a disc or a USB. There's a copy of each text in this book. We've kept them short and sweet, but made them long enough to challenge your students. You and your students can interact with the text using the handy digital tools. There's a lesson plan for each text. They're all in this book. There's hardly any prep time needed. This is a cooperative learning activity book. It's got another 40 short, engaging texts which come with audio. You'll find 15 of these books in the kit. They're for pairing your students up to get them using the reading strategies they've just learned. Students can underline and highlight the text. There are transparencies and markers to make this easy. This is a sample reflection journal. Students will have access to online journals, but hard copies like this are available for order too. The journals encourage your students to reflect on their learning and record their strategy use. And that's it. The CSI Literacy Kit. Haven't got a kit yet? Order one online now. Have one in front of you? Go on and open it up. You'll love it.